here today to share with you all my order that just arrived from the SHOPMISSA website, and I am so excited to receive this order because these are the things that I'm taking with me on my Embark Slaycation that is coming up. And when I say Embark Slaycation, it is a cruise. I'm going on a 7-day cruise, and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna get on that cruise without first visiting the SHOPMISSA website. So I'm here today to share with you all the fabulous goodies that I scored, and I'm gonna start by digging in this bag because that's what's gonna make this as much fun for me as it should be for you, wondering what did MGA find on SHOPMISSA website this time. Yes, this time. But wait, yeah, I'm going to do this video differently. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go off camera, and that way I'm going to show you the pieces up close and personal so you get to see them a lot more clearer, and you'll also get a chance to see their true quality. So let's get started. Okay, glam dolls, so first pair up are these faux pearl earrings, and you're getting 6 pairs, which means you're getting 10 earrings, and I absolutely love the finish on them. They kind of like a off-white because they're not a stark white, and it's giving off a gold-ish kind of hue. So I was really impressed by these right here. Now when I saw this crown necklace, there was no way I was going to leave it behind. It is so cute, and it's in a faux gold. It's not real gold or anything like that, but the detail on this is insane, and it's very dainty. So this is great if you're going to layer it with an additional necklace. This will be perfect to use this for. But I have it in the gold, and I have it in the silver tone, as you can see right here. These are gold and silver tone versions, and they are just too adorable. If you happen to see these on the website, they're definitely worth you dolls picking up. I also picked up this silver tone wishbone looking necklace right here. You know, they say wishbones is supposed to be for good luck, so I thought it was really dainty and really cute, and I was like, why not? What the heck, it's only $1, so I added this in my cart just as well. So still keeping with the silver tone, I picked up this necklace right here. As you see, it has 3 rings on it. These rings will not fit on your finger, so if you see them on the website, don't be fooled by it. These are only charm pieces that can attach onto the necklace. You can take this off the necklace if you want, but it's not like you're going to be able to fit this onto your finger. But that's what this is looking like right here. I also picked it up in the gold tone, and I wanted to give you a fair chance to see what they're both is looking like. And as you see them right here, they're still super cute, and I would actually pair these two together. I mean, you can always mix your metal colors that you're wearing. Don't be afraid to step out the box and coordinate your jewelry all in a single color. And that's what these two are looking like, in the gold tone and then in the silver tone. So now back to the gold tone. I picked up this layered necklace right here. Again, this is a dainty size. This is real small to wear around the neck. These stones are not large or anything like that. So any of these necklaces that I'm showing you, don't buy them with expectation of thinking that they're really huge or something like that. They're not like the statement necklace size. These are all very small and dainty, but like I keep saying throughout this video, they're definitely worth looking into. Now still with this silver tone, I got this pair right here, and they have faux diamonds within them and faux pearls attached, which make these super chic and super elegant. I feel that you can dress these up, or you can totally dress these down. And the same with this pair right here. Again, it's in a silver tone with the faux pearls that's attached to them, and these can be worn casually, or you can kind of dress these up just the same. It just depends on what neck piece that you decide to wear with it. And then when I saw these earrings right here, there was no way I was going to be able to leave these behind. These earrings remind me of the Chanel earrings, and what I mean by that is on the inside of the earrings, as you can see right here, the inside of them look like they have the double C's, which is like the Chanel brand, but these are super gorgeous, super cute, and I really feel that they're really worth you dolls looking into. You're gonna hear me say that a lot. But speaking of keeping on trend with the designer brand earrings, these right here are the Gucci inspired tassel earrings that hit the market, and oh, I was so excited when I saw these right here. I got them in the gold and the silver tone. The gold tone is on your left and the silver tone is on your right, and these are the Gucci inspired tassel earrings that has hit the market and everybody has been loving lately. And what I'm loving about these is I didn't have to pay that Gucci price. So, but to say that these were only $1 a piece, the quality on them is insane. Yeah, I'm loving them. So dolls, what did you think of all the pieces? I absolutely love each of the pieces that I just showed y'all in this video. And as I said throughout the video, if you're not familiar with SHOPMISSA, they are online retailer where everything that I showed you in this video was $1. But they do have other things on the website that cost, you know, either a little bit more than $1, but definitely less than $5. Oh, and if you happen to live in Texas, I'm not exactly sure which part of Texas, but I know on their website it tells you they do have 3 locations that is in Texas. So for my official glam dolls that's from Texas, I envy you right now because I would live in that store. I kid y'all not. But on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Join in on an amazing official glam dolls community. My name is MzGlamourAddict. All the official glam dolls, and when I say official, that means subscribe glam dolls that's in this community. They call me MGA. I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who love not breaking bank for a fabulous look, so I love sharing fab beauty on a budget finds. Exactly like what I just showed you today. Seriously, for real, this concluded the video. But don't forget, we still got to stay socially connected, so please keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.